Right behind me, we got my generator. And we're gonna do a 5-minute oil change tutorial on how to change your oil on your super quiet Predator Generator 3500. Okay, first thing you wanna get some gloves. Always keep your hands protected, whether changing oil or detailing. Keep them hands protected. Now, we got a driver. We got a basic driver with 10 millimeter. We got a little screwdriver. 10W by 30 oil. Honestly, it really doesn't matter what oil you use. Sometimes I use Honda oil. Sometimes I use this oil. Both of them work pretty fine. You wanna get your oil pan. Those are the essentials you need. So really, we're gonna be entering through this port right here. Oil filled access door. Open it up. As you see, pops off real nice and easy. What we're gonna do is take it off. Now, when you change your oil often on it, you can just do it through here. But to show you guys the whole setup, I'm gonna take these 2 points off to take this whole door off so you guys can see on the inside. So let's do that real quick. Okay, as you can see, the door is off, so we're gonna move over to the side. Okay, so the main 2 things to look at, first you got the oil dipstick. This right here is the oil dipstick. As you can see, as we pull it in, it's a little dirty, so you can tell it's time to change the oil. That right there. So that's the dipstick. This is the dipstick area. So we have the dipstick. We got where the 10 millimeter is gonna go, and the oil is gonna drop down, come through here. We're gonna have the pan right here so that when the oil comes out, it should be quick and easy. So we got our pan. We're gonna hold our pan right here. 10 millimeter. To the left. And you see, instead of to get the bolt to drop out, what you can do is do it slowly. So the bolt won't drop in the oil pan. Just do it super slow. It's not gonna go nowhere. Just let it come out. Just pull it out. And now as you can see, the oil is coming out. Okay, as you see, the oil is starting to stop leaking now. So what you can do, you can get your towel. It could be a microfiber, any towel. You go over there and you clean it up. Make sure it's cleaned. Clean the bit off, just clean it off a little bit. Just clean it. Do another clean real quick. Then, be back in action. Alrighty tidy. Seal the deal. Now, we're gonna clean this dipstick. Use the first towel, clean the dipstick. It's cool because it has a dipstick on it already, so you don't need to get one. You need a funnel, basic funnel. You can go to Walmart and get this for 98 cents. Put that like that. We're gonna come through with the second towel. We're gonna put it right here just for cushion, just in case, you know, if any oil was to leak, it'll go in that towel. So this generator holds about 20 fluid ounces. So what I like about this oil, it has a list right here. It has a list of all the ounces, the pints. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down to 16 and we're gonna stop around here. And that should be perfect to where on the dipstick it says high, we don't go over that. So you just pour it in. We're gonna come through with the dipstick and we're gonna test where the oil level is at. You see how there's those little diamonds? We're gonna see. Boom. See where we're at. We're good. So put it on, screw it on after you're done. Clean her up, clean it up. Make sure no oil. Make sure it's nice and tight up in there. No oil. Put the door back on. That's it. That's all you gotta do. All right, so we about finished it up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go test it. But I'm gonna take it outside because right now I'm in my apartment complex balcony and we cannot have it too close to the buildings and such like that. So I'm gonna go take it out real quick. I'm gonna show you guys the test run, and that's a quick basic oil change. So I'm gonna see you over there. Okay, so now that we are out here, see what it looks like on the home menu. I'm gonna turn it to start. We got it on start. Make sure this is on off. Make sure the throttle is on off. Starter.